Hey guys, Ralph here. Today I'm going to show you how to change interior lights on Nissan Kicks. So we have one dome light, two map lights, and one in the back which is the cargo light. Using a plastic pry tool, we're going to open this dome light starting from the left side. That's one. And two. So here's our dome light. When pulling out a light bulb, you can use a towel when it's hot or a gloves like this. So here's our dome light. This is N3 DE3175 LED bulb for Nissan Kicks interior light dome.
I'm back.
Yes, baby, you go there. After installing, we can now test the bulb. That looks good. Then we're going to install the cover. Good. Next are the two map lights. Going to pop this open too, starting from the right. Here you go. We got two T10 lights here. Like I've said, you can use a gloves or a towel when removing this. Just pull it out like that. Now we're going to install this T10 194 LED light bulb. There you go. Just make sure to check the bulb's orientation when installing it. Next step is to reinstall back the map lights cover. And here's our cargo light. We're going to pry it on the top. So on this side, on the right side, there's a clip that you need to push so you can remove the cover. I suggest to use a towel to remove this bulb. This cargo light is also a regular T10 bulb. I'm going to put this T10 194 LED light bulb to replace the old T10 bulb. And we're going to replace these two plate lights as well. Using a plastic pry tool, pry the plate right from the right. Then turn this light bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Now the other light bulb, we're going to pry it on the right side as well. These are also the regular T10 bulb, so we're going to replace it with the 194 LED light bulb. Last is to reinstall back the plate lights by pushing the plate lights back starting from the right. So that's how you replace your plate lights, cargo light, dome light, and two map lights on your Nissan Kicks. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.